Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle if you're new here, and if you're not, thank you for coming back to hang out with me today. If you're new, my channel is a lot of lifestyle, a lot of candles and Bath & Body Works, bargain shopping videos, as well as cruelty-free beauty and empties and reviews, hauls, all sorts of fun things like that. So subscribe if you are not already for more of those types of videos. Today's video is going to be a new to me candle brand, actually two of them, because I placed my first ever online order from Village Candles, which is a brand I hear about all the time in the wax and candle community, and I've always found them at TJ Maxx before, so they've been in those hauls, and I've talked about them on my wax Instagram, Way Wicked Wax, and they might have been in like an empties or something. So I have tried some of their products before, so they weren't totally new to me, but it never occurred to me to actually go to their site and go try them out. So I got a bunch of smaller tester candles. They had a really cute collection I wanted to smell a bunch of scents for, and this size is what I primarily got, the 3.75 ounce, which looks like the baby jars from Yankee. These are a good way to kind of test the scent out, and so that's what I did, as you can tell. So I'm reading through my emails from them now to see what coupon I had. I had a 10% off with the code WELCOME because it was my first purchase. I looked up coupons and let's see, they sent me a 20% off coupon for reviewing one of their candles. All these candle sites, I have to talk about another one soon, will give you like points towards like a gift card or coupons for writing reviews on their independent website. So right now they have free shipping on orders of $75 plus. So their candles come in all sorts of different sizes, which is really cool. So they have like the large jar candles, which are $20. They have some winter ones on sale right now. Normally $6.95, which is what I paid, and I got 10% off. So that wasn't that great of a deal. I don't think they had Ebates here. You can check, I'll link it down below, which is where you get cash back on your online purchases. I use it all the time. If you use my code or my link down below, you get a $10 gift card. It's super awesome. You can use it at Bath & Body Works, usually has cash back. I think Yankee, like Kohl's, all sorts of places, Ulta, Sephora. So I got, it looks like just 4 of these, but they had a collection I really liked. The reason I placed this order was because I always really liked this scent, French Macaron, and I had a big jar of it, like the size of a Yankee big jar from TJ Maxx. It was $10. I think they're normally like 20, whatever I just said on the website, and then I paid like almost 7 minus 10% off for this little one, so that doesn't make a lot of sense. But I was just relieved to look it up and see that they carry this scent all the time. I thought it was limited edition because it was at TJ Maxx, but I'm obsessed with it. I've been burning it a lot. This little size is good because I've just been staying in a small room here. Clearly this is not my usual filming setup if you're used to my videos, so I've been burning these little ones for that small space, and they've been good for my meditation classes, just to have a little candle and try out the scent. So French Macaron, I'm totally obsessed with it. The throw on it is amazing in that big candle in my big apartment, and it's pretty good on this one too. It's like almost a little bit of a powdery, sugary bakery scent. Like you get that top crunchy layer of macaron in a powdery note, if that makes sense. So delicious, so unique. I love this one of my top fragrances probably ever. And then this other one I've been waving around is almost ready for an empties video. About time I filmed this, huh? This is Cherry Vanilla Swirl, and I love the big labels on their candles. A lot of people complain they took them off of the Yankee candles, so it's nice that even on these small petite jars they have them. This makes me so hungry, makes me want cherry soft serve, and the reviews are kind of mixed on this. I didn't really like the smell of it at first, but once I burned it, it was pretty good. Really decent throw for this small size candle in a bedroom, like decent, like very good. I highly recommend trying these out, especially if they have a sale or anything like that. This almost smelled like medicine to me in the beginning, but now I'm just used to it and I really like it. It's a little too much on the medicinal cherry side, but it's still enjoyable and I really liked it. A little bit different, I'd get it again. These have like a little weird tin lid, not a glass lid, so I didn't know how I'd like that at first. They feel of course a little bit cheaper, and then they just have Village Candle written on the lid, but I think they help save the cost a little bit, so I don't really care. I like the look of the glass ones because they're cute, but this isn't terrible either. I think they might have another design that has the little glass lid on it. Am I making that up? They offer each scent in so many different sizes. They have like the medium jars, or a small glass jar, which I have some of those too. And I always found the, oh, Cherry Vanilla Swirl. Medium glass jars on sale for $8. Oh my God. How many ounces is this? 16 ounces is $8 right now, which is almost what I paid for, much less. I might have to hit them back up. And I really liked, I was nervous about ordering candles, but they wrapped them up nicely in bubble wrap. These two are the ones I'm most excited for, so I saved them to smell in this video with you guys. They had a little fantasy collection and it looked so beautiful. The labels look so beautiful and it's nice and holographic, but this one's a little crooked. Mermaid Tails. You should see the ads they had for this collection. They're adorable. See, it's crooked. What the heck? I don't love that. I got it half for the label. So they have all sorts of scents in this collection. This collection is what really reeled me in. The notes are aquatic, sea salt, dewy green, muguet, cyclamen, and musk. The indigo hue of the sea is the mysterious backdrop for the meandering mermaid. They have really, like, this collection is really crazy descriptions. A mystical sea creature that holds beauty and magical powers. Much like fairies, each mermaid sprinkles magical folklore and tales in all she encounters. Mermaids mystify in aquatic notes as they dance in the sea in soft movements, gathering tiny treasures of forbidden apple, melon, and citrus swirls. Not really listed in the notes above, but okay. Swimming through the sea-salted water in dewy greens, the day turns to night and invites all creatures to this delightful dance amongst the glittering goddess mermaids and coral maze. So, I thought this would be really cute for friends who love mermaids too. It's like a cute little house decor thing. Oh, you know what this reminds me of? Kind of, maybe. Oh, what was that Yankee I really liked a long time ago? Drift Away was one of my first ever favorite Yankee favorites, and I can't find my candle of it anywhere, and I know it exists. Oh, it kind of reminds me of that. It's very peaceful, soothing, very clean. Oh, that label bugs me so much though. And there's like little, the jar is kind of dirty. It's like it splashed when they were pouring it. Oh, but that smells good. Very summery and nice for this time of year. Okay, so I got one not super sweet scent. Are you proud of me? And then it's so cute and it's pink. Unicorn Dreams. And again, kind of holographic. How cute do these look together? They had a ton in this collection, and they even had Halloween scents out, I want to say, in early June when I ordered this. So yeah. Ooh, it's like a floral candy note, and it's really filled up to the top there. That look, I almost don't like that because I feel like it could, don't bump this when you are burning it for the first few times, that's for sure. Let me look up the notes. Lemon, red berry, and lime are the keynotes. Enter the playful fantasy land where mystical unicorns dance to rainbow colors and confectionery kisses. Magical dreams conjure up sweet and fruity notes of tart lemon, yep, strawberry wishes, hot pink candied cherries, and lime confetti as your inner unicorn delicately prances and softly descends into the pastel forest. As long as we dream, life will always bring magical unicorns and sparkly adventures. I love it. Can I write the copy for these candles? I think I'd laugh too much. My inner unicorn is delicately prancing. That's a little too much even for me, and I love cheesy stuff. So yeah, it is like a candied lime strawberry, very much like a summertime candy scent. So I like that one. Not as much as the first two I showed you, but that is really nice. I kind of want a large jar just for the label, but I need to stop doing that and buying things just for the label. But really, really cute. Obsessed with the packaging. And these have had pretty decent burn time so far. I feel like I've lit this multiple times. This one's burning really clean. It's so satisfying, so I'm happy with those. And then another candle company that's new to me that I want to share with you today is Ardent Flame. You can get it through Amazon Prime actually, and he's having a promotion, so they're not even full price, and you still get free 2-day shipping if you have Prime, which is amazing because of course we want our candles as soon as possible. Where's my information? So there's still a sale for 5% off the candle, and that should be running for a couple of weeks. He just told me the other day. So the owner reached out to me, Connor. He was so nice, and he asked if he could send me this complimentary to show in a video for you guys. So this is new to me, little candle PR. So thank you, Connor, so much. We have been back and forth emailing. He's been so nice, so I can only guess that their customer service is going to be incredible. Came in this little brown box. I'm not sure if it would be different if you got it through Prime, but he sent me this cute little note, and I haven't opened the candle yet, but I read the note earlier and it's so cute. I like your YouTube videos, and I'm glad to hear that you'd like to include the candle. That made my day. That is a keeper. Should it go on the fridge? I don't know, maybe. And they come wrapped in this really beautiful inner gift box. So if you ever need a last minute gift, this would be a great idea. 2-day shipping. Look how beautiful with the gold foil stamp. Ardent Flame, quality soy candles, handcrafted in the USA. And it is a soy candle, which I'm not as familiar with, but you know, we like to dabble every now and again. So let's open this baby up and smell it. I'm so excited. Nicely wrapped with the bubble wrap there. Oh, it's so cute. Heavy too. Here is what it looks like. This is in the scent Caramel Coffee Bean, and I believe that's the only scent in the line at the moment. It's an 8-ounce 100% soy wax candle, and I was picturing this being very strong. Oh, it's so good. It's like, if you like Paris Cafe, I think, from Bath and Body Works, but not like headache inducingly strong. There's almost like a toast note. Like, it's not sickeningly sweet caramel. It's toned down. It's definitely a coffee scent. I might have to burn this tomorrow morning while I'm working from home to wake me up with that coffee smell. We'll see how strong it is. I'll be reviewing this and checking back in with you guys on this on my wax and candle Instagram at WayWickedWax. So make sure you're following me there for updates. Oh, I really like that. It's because Bath and Body Works can go too overboard. Like white caramel cold brew I like, but it's too sweet. Ooh, I actually really like that. Sometimes I get nervous with coffee scents, but that one's really nice. So I'm super excited. Again, thank you, Connor. I will have this linked down below if you guys want to check it out. So that's my little candle haul for today. I seemingly sort of restrained myself and only got smaller ones, but just wait till you see some more candle hauls that are on their way. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit that little bell notification so you don't miss those uploads. Leave me a comment down below. Have you tried Village Candle? Do you like them? Is it Village Candle or Candles? Village Candle. I'm a fan so far. It's pretty inexpensive, and I think the shipping was pretty fast. I don't even remember anymore, but they throw coupon codes at you, and their pricing is lower than Yankee and Bath and Body Works, so that never hurts, and we like to try new things. So give this video a thumbs up so I know you liked it. I'd love to chat with you guys in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching my video and hanging out with me today. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next one. 3, 2, 1, bam!